Alright, palakpakan naman ng once again, Minho!
좋네요. 가까이에서 얼굴이 잘 보여가지고.
I really like it that lapit namin and I could see your faces.
Mamaya mas lalapit po siya. Alright, why don't we take our seats for now? Gusto niyo bang lumapit pa siya? Lakasan niyo yung mga palakpak at hiyaw, ha? Yan. Alright, alright. The next star, kasi na, Minoverse tayo, diba? The next star we've landed on holds something incredibly special in Mino's universe. Tama, it's the one and only Mino's verse, the star that represents all of you. Palakpakan. Very good, very good. Here in Mino's verse, it's all about teamwork. Minho and his Minos will work together to complete fun missions. So now it's time for the Minos Team Challenge! So sa inyong lahat, kanina pagpasok nyo, nakapagsagot na ba kayo dun sa QR code? Sino ang hindi nagsagot? Taas ang kamay. Ay, bakit hindi nyo sinagutan? Naku, kailangan sagutan nyo yan. And then we will take a look at the characters representing each team section. Ayan. Ay, ayun. So as you know, di ba, bawat section sa buong arena, meron kayong nire-represent na isang character. And I also heard that for each stop on the Asia Tour, the winning team or section receives a very unique gift. So Minho, what's the special prize for tonight?
제가 직접 녹음한 음성 메시지와 사진을 드릴 예정입니다.
Well, I'll be giving you a very specialized, personalized voice recording and a picture. A super exclusive sa inyo.
Very good, very good. Now, so we have our very first, the legendary ending scene World Cup. Minho's dramas are known for their unforgettable endings, so let's take a look at some of his most iconic final moments. Shall we see the scenes from the drama? Play video.
아름답고 비밀스러운 우리의 전쟁을 추억하면서 약속했었지? 그럼 시민들이 김상규, 이 구준표님이랑 결혼해.
Alright. So we just watched the ending scenes from Boys Over Flowers and The Legend of the Blue Sea. At interestingly, pareho silang sa dagat. Diba? Sa dagat sila nagtapos. Between the two, do you remember any memorable behind-the-scenes moments while filming those final scenes?
둘 다 너무 정신없게 사실 막 찍었었던 촬영들이라 딱히 다른 에피소드들이 존재하진 않는데 되게 오랜만에 지금 엔딩씬 보는데 참 구준표답네요. 이 구준표님이랑 결혼해 줄래라고 하는 게.
Well, you know, actually when I was filming those two dramas, parang medyo it was a very busy and hindi ko talaga maalala lahat because it was overwhelming as well with the whole storyline and I really enjoyed filming of each. Pero as I recall and rewatch the scenes, especially yung voiceover, yung first video na nakita natin, yung Voice Over Flowers, si Koo Joon-pyo pala, super Koo Joon-pyo ang dating.
아니 근데 지금 제가 갑자기 기억이 안 나는데 저러고 둘이 결혼을 했나요?
Well, I have a question, hindi ko na kasi maalala. Did they get married?
구준표랑 금자한테 결혼했어요? 안 했어요?